So here we're drilling out the old liner to make essentially a gap in it so it can be peeled back.
Peeled being a very optimistic word. Okay, I'll actually know. I stuck a Man City ringtone on last night.
So now they're just trying to pry the old liner off using a mixture of the screwdrivers and crowbar.
Let me, hang on a sec. We'll put it right on at the bottom now. Okay, we're on. Right, okay. I don't know what you can there. Now, like I say, it won't. It does evaporate off, you see.
I'm just saying that WD-40 makes a good lubricant to help put it on.
Keep shortening this back and wait for it. Go and rescue it.
So what we're doing now is keeping on prying out the bullwheel liner and simultaneously hauling the whole rope round from the bottom station and then using paracord to essentially pull it out. And that seems to be working. So the next job is making sure that the end of the bullwheel liner is nice and square and then chamfering it so that it sort of fits in like a wedge.
So,
It feels like Twister this, except vertical. Again, just lubricating the ball wheel and the back of the liner, which will of course evaporate. Hammer into place.
After we're struggling.
Yeah.
So this device is just a bar of steel with some holes in it and a plate of steel on the end, and it just acts to lever that bullwheel liner in really nicely.
Right, okay, stop.
I wasn't expecting to do this.
Well, I've had these before, and every time you do this, you just break to bits, and it's a nightmare. Stopping, please.
There we are.
We're getting too far. Stopping, please.
There we are.
We're getting too far.